What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Now in today's video we have the ZTE Blade Max View, and now if y'all don't know, the Oreo update is out there for this device, and along with that Oreo update brings new functionalities to the phone. One of the things that I like that now works with the Oreo update is you are now allowed to use this device on Google Fi. Yep, Google's MVNO now works with the ZTE Blade Max View. All you have to do is go ahead and order a SIM card from the Google Fi website. I'll leave the link below in the description if you're interested in going that route. But as you can see, it says Google Fi there. Everything works fine. You have been using the device on a daily basis. As you can see, I have 2 gigs left, and it gives you how much days I have left on my plan. So we can get that to focus there. But prior to the update, we were not able to use the Blade Max View with Project Fi. Back then it was called Project Fi. So all you have to do is stick your SIM card in the device, go to the Play Store, you go and download Google Fi, and once you download, prior to that, when you enter your SIM card, it is going to say Project Fi up here. But once you download the app, it's going to go ahead and install. It's going to ask you to activate Google Fi on the device here, and just say activate it. Even if you already have your plan, if you're just taking your SIM card from another device to this device, activate it. And what it's going to do is going to run through a little quick update activation, and it's going to then change this Google Project Fi up here to Google Fi. Everything works well. Calls work phenomenal. No issues with calls, no issues with data. As far as it transferring from Sprint and T-Mobile, I don't know quite how that works, because even on Google Fi, if I was using this SIM card on my Pixel 3 XL, it doesn't tell you what network you're currently on. But with that being said, just want to give you guys a quick update video letting you guys know that the ZTE Blade Max View now works with Google Fi after the Oreo update, which is great. Bam. Leave a comment in the sections below if you have any questions regarding the ZTE Blade Max View and Google Fi. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.